Hey everybody, it's Katie and Willow here at the Howard Homestead, and it's the day that we've been waiting for. Our box of plants and trees from Stark Brothers has just arrived, and we're going to do an unboxing for you to show you what's inside. I'm really impressed with everything they were able to fit in this box. I mean, it's basically a mini orchard. We've got fruit trees, we've got plants, we've got bare root and potted all in here. So, should we open it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Right. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Okay. All right, so it's professionally packed at the nursery itself. Let's open it up and see. Oh, look. I see a tree. Okay, the first thing I see are our strawberries. We have bare root strawberries, and you'll notice that they're packed in wet shredded paper that keeps them moist and safe during the shipping process. This is about 25 strawberry plants. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
And there's more. So there's about 100 strawberry plants in this shipment because we are gonna do a big strawberry patch. Now I know they don't look like much now, but once we plant them and they wake up, they're gonna be beautiful and lush. Okay, let's see what else we have, Willow.
Look at the tree.
Here, let's get these strawberries out. Oh, good. Okay, here's more strawberries.
What is
Wow. This is the shredded paper. It helps keep the plants wet when they ship it. Look. Okay, I think it's our raspberries. We got bare root raspberries. Look how pretty those are. I'm so excited. You want to hold it? Okay.
Good.
And get the paper off for me? Oh, looky here.
Okay.
This is...
I'll hold it.
Okay, here's our last strawberry. Oh, wow. I cannot wait to plant these.
I want to plant them right now.
You do? Are you excited? Do you love strawberries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I see a tree, you guys. I see a tree.
And I'll hold it.
You're gonna hold it. This is, oh, our Stark Golden Delicious apple tree. It's a supreme. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness, look at that, Willow. You wanna hold it?
Sure.
Wow, that is gorgeous. And it was professionally pruned, so we do not have to worry about pruning it. Look at that. Okay, here, let's see what else we have.
And I'll get the little ones.
You're gonna get the little one? Here, should we put the raspberries down so you can help?
Well, I'm gonna.
You like the raspberries? Oh, let's see what this tree is. Oh, what'd you get? You got another raspberry. This is, oh, our sweet cherry, the Stella sweet cherry. Look at this. I think, oh, it's a Semi-Dwarf Stella sweet cherry. Now this one is for your grandpa because he loves cherries.
Don't let him eat these.
He can have raspberries, cherries.
Don't let him have these, Mama.
Oh, I think he'd love it. He would love it. Okay.
Some people have them. Check over here.
Awesome. Okay, so I think that's all that was in that bag. So I'm gonna take this out because I'm actually gonna rewrap the bare roots to store them. Oh, what's in there? What is it?
What is this?
Ooh, I think this is our rhubarb. Let's see. Rhubarb, Starkrimson Rhubarb. That's another bare root item we have.
Get this out for me to hold.
Oh, Willow, it's your tree. It's your tree.
Which one is mine?
You are the Honeycrisp Apple because you're my sweetheart.
Can I pop one?
Look how well this is packaged. I mean, there's no way that this would have got hurt in transit at all. They take special care to keep it in there. This is potted in the Easy Start pots.
Which one is yours? Which one is yours?
Well, which one do you think I should have?
The one by me.
I think I'm excited about a peach tree.
Peach? Which one is peach?
Well, let's find it. I can't believe all of this was in this box. Oh, let's see. Is this our asparagus? It is Jersey Night Giant Asparagus, another bare root item. Oh, this must be another potted. Look how well they wrapped that. Oh, just be careful. Wait just a second. We'll do it together, okay? Ooh, I think it's blackberries. They are.
Can I hold a blackberry?
You love blackberries.
Yeah. So give me some blackberries.
Oh, look at those blackberries, Willow.
Can I hold one?
We were just talking at breakfast about how you guys like blackberries. We like them right off the plant.
Can I hold it?
We like to make jam.
Let me hold it.
Okay. It's pretty big.
And tea too.
Look at all they got in this box. We got another set of blackberries. You want to lay that down? Here, I'll put it right here in this. Looky here.
And a stick. And another stick.
A sticker? Oh, that's really cool. I know somebody who loves stickers.
Me.
You?
But it's not sticky.
Ooh, our grapes. We got a Concord grape.
Mom, but it doesn't have a sticky part.
Well, you got to take the back off of it. We can do that in just a second. They have specialty boxes to pack all of this, and it's in perfect condition. Another Concord grape. Okay, I think I see the last of our trees.
Who got these two?
I'm guessing these are the peach trees. Here. More stickers. Oh my goodness.
And one for you.
One for Daddy and one for
Here's
me.
you, and here's Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
Daddy, here's yours.
Thank you.
Oh, Willow, it's our peach trees. It's our peach trees. I'm so excited.
I'm finding stickers.
Look, 2 more peach trees. Oh, there's more stickers. Oh
One for
boy.
autumn and one for August.
Oh, that's awesome. And one of my favorite things that they include in the box is this Read Me First pamphlet. It talks about everything you need to know as far as planting, delay planting. If you have questions, you can look right here in the pamphlet. If you've got problems with your order, there's a simple way to contact them. So the next thing I need to think about is when I'm going to plant these things. We got a lot of rain the last couple of days, so it's really a little too wet to plant today. So I'm going to delay planting my items. For the bare root items, I'm just going to put them back in the bag that they came in. We're going to put that shredded moist paper, make sure it's nice and moist, wrap them up, and we're going to store them in the cool shed. And we can do that for about a week. For the potted items, we're just going to treat them like a house plant. And then when it is time to plant, we'll harden them off slowly outside and then put them in the ground. So are you excited about everything we got today? Yes. Okay, well, we will do another video when it's time to plant. And as always, for more detailed growing information, you can go to the Stark Bros website and go to the growing guide section.